Need more time to file your state taxes? Don't stress. TurboTax makes getting an extension quick and painless. In this full 2025 guide, I'll walk you step by step through filing a state tax extension so you can focus on gathering your documents without rushing. Stay with me because I'll also share a key tip to avoid late payment penalties even if you get that extension. First, open your browser and head to the official TurboTax website. Just type TurboTax into your search engine and click the official link. On the top right corner of the homepage, select Sign In, enter your username and password. If you've forgotten your login details, use the recovery options to reset them. Once you're in, you'll land on your personalized TurboTax home screen. Next, look for the section labeled 2024 Taxes, which is the tax year you're filing for in 2025. Click it to open all your filing options for the current year. On the left-hand menu, find Tax Tools and click it. A drop-down will appear. Select Tools and then choose Tool Center. This is where TurboTax keeps all the special features you need. In the Tool Center, you'll see a button that says File an Extension. Click that, then hit Continue to start the process. TurboTax will guide you through a series of on-screen prompts to gather the information required by your state. Carefully review everything for accuracy, then click Continue again to submit, and that's it. Your state tax extension is officially filed through TurboTax. Now you can breathe easier while you gather those last-minute documents. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple, foolproof tax tips. Filing smarter, not harder. That's the TurboTax way. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your taxes.